draw this iris in Procreate. I choose canvas size 2500 pixel by 2500 pixel. Also, you can use same color palette which I am using. First, change the background color. Next, use mono line brush. Draw a circle. Adjust the shape and position. Make sure that our circle is in the exact center of our canvas. Now fill your circle by dragging in the color. Now go to Wrench and turn on Drawing Guide. We will go to Edit Drawing Guide and make our grid size up to max. Now choose Option Uniform and Magnetics, pinch our circle and make it slightly smaller. Now create new layer. And I am choosing almost black color. Now draw a circle and fill it the color. And again, following the same steps, adjust the shape of our circle. Now use Gaussian blur to give a soft transition of iris base layer. And let's do same for our pupil. Now create a new layer and set to clipping mask. Use old beach brush. Now we use symmetry tool and choose option radial. Also, you can set the opacity of lines, and at the top, you can slide to adjust the color of your grid. Next, adding some rough details our iris. Now I am choosing light color. Make sure that you move from the center to the outside of the iris. Let's switch to another color of the color palette. And try to make some interesting textures to the iris until you have a nice iris base texture. Now switch to dark blue color. Now use gouache brush. Next, let's switch to smudge tool. And smudge everything to give it a softer look. From the center to outside or vice versa. But don't go crisscross all over your iris base layer. Now I am using a soft brush. Now, let's darken the outside of iris layer. And again using smudge tool to give a softer look. Now again use old beach brush. Let's add some darker lines to our iris. Now switch color to lighter one. Next I am using orange color. Now draw some darker lines to our iris so you can see these little wrinkles. Now create new layer and set to multiply. Now add some wobbly lines, and of course you can look up reference images. And create your own iris. Now create new layer and set to add. Use cloud brush. Let's add some highlights to the middle of our iris. Next, add some light texture to the iris so you can have a nice base iris layer. And of course, you can use other colors also. Now add a reflection to our iris. Create a new layer. And go to the selection tool and go for rectangle and fill it with color. Next, adjust the position where we want to place it. Next, go to distort and let's move the handles towards each other. Next, go to the wrap and push pen towards the outside of your iris. Now go to lower side and push that upward to make it align with that pupil. Next, add some highlight by lowering the opacity of the layer. Next, use layer mask to give a more realistic look. And you can go gently over that underside to block a part off that layer with a reflection. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit a subscribe button. If you liked this, you can draw this video, then you might want to see these two videos right here. Thank you for watching.